G'day, it's Nat. Let's take a look at what's been making news. Are you stuck at home right now because of COVID-19? Well, you're not alone, and TikTok can back that up. Hashtags life at home, quarantine, and self-care have been shared on the platform literally billions of times as people turn to the internet to stay connected, lift up each other's spirits, and be happy at home.
This is happy at home on TikTok. It has over 4 billion views. Wow, that's like 1 billion times 4. Yep, there's a lot of videos of people doing a lot of things. There's pets on their own, people and their pets. That was weird. These guys agree. Music, cooking, exercise.
What?
Dancing twins, art, and really random things. Turns out there's many activities you can do to stay happy at home. So we thought we'd see what some of you are up to.
We have been doing a fairy house. A good way to decorate it is to paint some rocks. We have been doing our nails. And now we're riding our bikes.
Hello everybody. At home to pass time, I like to play the violin.
I'm practicing my tornado flip on the trampoline.
I'm practicing my netball skills.
I've personally learnt some magic and had an online sing-along with friends. It's crazy what you can get up to from the comfort of your own home to keep yourself happy. Thank you all for sharing with us.
People in the UK have come together, from a safe physical distance, to thank healthcare workers for all their hard work lately. At 8 p.m. local time, people clapped, cheered, waved and made a bunch of noise for an event called Clap for Our Carers. A bunch of celebrities got involved, including James Bond himself, Daniel Craig. The royal family also got in on the action, as did Prime Minister Boris Johnson. Well done, everyone. And now it's time for sport. Oh, no, I'm sure there's been a few things. Anyway, here's Kale.
Okay, look. There hasn't been anything, actually being played. But there has been a big announcement. Australia will host the 2022 FIBA Women's Basketball World Cup. We beat out Russia for the hosting duties, and games are set to be played in Sydney. The Opals lost to the USA in the final of the 2018 World Cup, so hopefully they can go one better with a bit of hometown support. Earlier this month, the Formula One season came to a grinding halt because of COVID-19. But don't worry, F1 fans, there is a solution. Esports. F1 bosses have organised a virtual Grand Prix series. More than 250,000 viewers tuned into the virtual Bahrain Grand Prix, which saw pro racer Guan Yu Zhou take home the title. And lastly, there have been plenty of sports being played from home, like Steph Furry here. I think he's a German Shepherd cross-straight bowler. Or how about golfer Josh Kelly? Now that's a hole-in-one.
Now, if watching other people exercise makes you hungry, well, I've got the perfect solution. This bakery in Germany quickly realised there was something people wanted even more than cake right now: toilet paper. So why not have the best of both worlds? Toilet paper cake. Since then, these fondant-covered creations have been flying off the shelves. Something smells kinda fishy in here. Ooh, perhaps it's because we're about to spend the next minute visiting animals in aquariums. Recently, we showed you these penguins wandering around an aquarium and saying g'day to their fishy mates. Well, guess what? There's plenty more where that came from. What are these flamingos doing here? Well, they got a special tour of the Texas State Aquarium, and they all seem pretty flappy about it. But lastly, we'll leave you with these puppies, who stole our hearts and now they'll steal yours. Their names are Odie and Carmel, and they're from a foster home in the city of Atlanta in the US. Oh, watch out! There's a gigantic fish behind you! Run, 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 run! Aren't they just the cutest things you've ever seen? Oh, well, it's been a fun Friday. We'll see you next week. If you haven't already, subscribe to the BTN YouTube channel, and hey, if you like this video, why not give it a like?